Osi anti Frida nti madam fubi guy bi ana me ni di agro. Na yire nana no ne guy ni di agro na guy ne ko ware ye. Ti na afi oni omu nyina di agro osi anti. Omo wo a mitimi ye shopping. Mitimi ye shopping be $2,000 $3,000 na me di ama omo. Me pe bra ne yire asem. Osi anti. She was going through depression. And a guy no ba ne nchen no. Ofi say na down for guy a waware. Obi ani ne nchen ono nko a. Ti guy ne drive be 20 minutes no aba no ho. Bua guy ne say na me off. Me pese me fa umpie no makọ park, no makọ restaurant bi. Guy ne yire no nso ni me say oh, yes sister, Penina, I say she's going through something to me kunu koboa no. Na sister na dwen no. We nso na dwen no say ni kuna damfo na o madamfo na obeboa. Say na guy na nkasa wo ba no. Okuta na agenda no de bai. Na agenda nyina ne say oba be di sister no na odi a blackmail sister no odi agu sister na ni mase. That is the main motive. Abusuya say na guy no de na dwen nyina ne say sister me ne kwa akoda na me ne da wia ma blackmail no. Ti o take advantage on her vulnerability and I say na ka no. Sambre na o depression mu o da anti depression e duro so no. That is the time abra ni ko she wodo. Nkwasi ado de kire sister ne die. Sister nsi anti Frida. Bibia koso ade meni so tete me ase. Na fi me hwe se through the therapist no. Na fi nyame adom fa na duro o exercise o pie ase ene me get better ne ade. O se anti Frida. One day mo wa na guy ne buy na guy ne so hu se isi ya ne ho to no. Owie ya na abrante na sem nyina ne se sisi ya no me wo ye me den. No se wo me ya wo den se. Abrante se na obi a wo wetimi woni mi se me ne wada na. No se so fucking them what? Woni mi ada. So what? You took advantage of me. I wasn't in my right senses, my right mind. I was taking medication. Or see one brand catch and say, so are you trying to dump me? Or see you are married. And I am married. I haven't signed divorce. You are married and I am married. Move on with your life. I went to the hospital. I checked myself. I am not pregnant. I don't have no diseases. I don't have nothing. So move on with your life. Guy, and say, me, move on. My life. Nke. She. Hey, sister. Who should be move on? Me? I don't go feel move on. She. Odi so ba be huma deje ma be ka chere se wa wale me so ma wale ntimi move on. But she na fi guy no sign guy ne ka chere say I think you have to continue taking your medication. No say what the hell do you think you are? Trying to telling me to take my medication so that you can take advantage of me, right? And what person guy say Master, if you don't want me to disgrace you, you better do what I say. Mr. Sister, me say, obi beba wabra bom, you may think say, oba wabra bom for bibi. And not be that. Or take advantage on somebody who is under antidepressant medication. And yene 3 lawyers na akasa. Asamo mo kenyina say so obi take anti-depression medication only in the right mind. Ade bia only be bia is abuse. You are taking advantage. That moment, you know, the person is taking advantage on that person's vulnerability. On dinner, obia show or doka krebi chile pan because the person lack those kind of things, you know. She or he is full of sorrow. Dia wo here niso obi beka do no, obi beka sa chile no, obeso ni mu, it shall be well with you. Sister, don't worry. So when she any papa, that person can take advantage of you. So when she any papa, obi da medication so na wone ne da. In someone ni pan beke bi anya na dwene no wo kasa.
Busuame mo akwa babaga na update na dofo mama ngege ene na tena on sex tape ya ebeto media ne so egusu trend ye obi a etere na adwen fa ho no dofo evangelist free ono so de ne nsem bi tudwa na wambo na tena ene mama ngege wambo obi edin na emu ono ne tirema ɔsɛ na down for baby and a din sembi ebetu na nim na mehwa eye evangelist afle nsɛm a ɔpɛ sɛ ɔka no ɔde eye mame yeye efise nim sɛ eye mame yeye na emblem bi mu afle ya ekotai na ti ɔne na te na ntɔkɔ yi start ye no na ɔtai eye mame yeye ati nti mehwa mame yeye asɛm na ɔpɛ sɛ ɔnka no ɔkyerɛ mu a ɔsɛ na damfo ne bɛka kyerɛ ne sɛ na ɔwɔ depression mu nyama bi kɔ so na blabo mu a no mpɛ ɔde na ware mu nsɛm na bɛka kyerɛ no na ɔka kyerɛ no ɔse na damfo bɛrima bi a na ɔno nso nim no saa na damfo bɛrima yi deɛ na te na no ɔde no ɛno nti na meka sɛ nsɛm na ɔka ne nua no yɛ mame yeye mu nsɛm na aba no nanso sɛnea ɔdi nkɔmmɔ ne kɔ no wahyɛ daa na watea nkɔmmɔ no efisɛ attacks na ɛyɛ ba ne so no ɔyɛ ano mpɛ na adɔfoɔ ɔse ɛyɛ aduro bi na nadamfo ne sɛ na ɔda so a na ɔfa aduro no na nadamfo bɛrima yi so ɛbaa ne nkyɛn na ɔyɛ aware sɛ waware efisɛ na ɔsɛ ɔne ne nana ɛnante deda nanso no ɔbɛware gyaa no nti na ɔno deɛ onim ne yere no ama na yere ne nso nim no nti otumi kɔ fie hɔ efisɛ na ɔmo nim ɔmo ho adɔfoɔ ɔsɛ wɔ mu mbele biara na ɛyɛ nadamfo no bɛrima yi take advantage wɔ ne so aduro no a na ɔfa ne nti ɔfa aduro no a deɛ ɔno hia ne sɛ nipa bɛwɔ ne nkyɛn na nipa akyerɛ no ɔdɔ efisɛ nsɔhwɛ na ɔkɔm no depression na ɔkɔm no ɛno na ohia nipa ɔbɛhyɛw no ɔdɔ nti saa na adamfo yi take advantage wɔ ne so nti evangelist free ekyire mu a ɛyɛ na te na take advantage wɔ ɛyɛ mame yeye so ɛsan sɛ mame yeye nduro na ɔfa no ɛno na te na ɛnam so a watumi ne ɛyɛ mame yeye ada na adɔfoɔ saa nsɛm yi mintimi hu no kure wom sɛ yampa anaasɛ nsɛm ne baeɛ na animguaseɛ ne dɔɔso no ɛno nti na nkurɔfoɔ ɛba abɔnten ɛka saa nsɛm bi ansa na no mede kan te wɔ mame yeye video bi a ɔno nso yɛ mu sɛ aduro na ɔfa no ɔsɛ na ɔnde ne ho ɛnyɛ na adwen a efisɛ nneɛma na ɔne na te na ayɛ na te na de abɛgu abɔnten ka no mame yeye kyerɛ mu a ɛno guaseɛ na dɔɔso ne nti o mintimi nkyerɛ sɛ ɛno nti na mame yeye sɛ na nyɛ na adwen a nti na aduro na ɔfa no ɛno na te na take advantage wɔ so a ɔno ankasa enim sɛ ampa ɔfa aduro na nso sɛbe ɔne na ada a saa mle abɛtɔ abɔnten a ɔde gu n'anim ase no ma Frida ɛkyerɛ mu a ɔsɛ nduro a ɔmotumi frɛ ɛyɛ lawyers bɛyɛ 3 bi ebi sɛ ɔmo de saa nsɛm wei ɛto ɔmo anim ama ɔmo ka sɛ obi da aduro so sɛ a na obi ɛfa na ɛyɛ rape no efisɛ nipa na ankasa ɛnyɛ na adwen adɔfoɔ yɛnim no kura wɔ mu sɛ wo nso wonim no kura bi a na emu saa nsɛm na ɛyɛ ma free ɛka no nso kyerɛ w'adwen wɔ comment section hɔ na ka me ho nyɛnkɔ tie video no ɛmfa ɛmbra mɛsrɛw sɛ wobɛ like video na wahyɛ ɛde ama me aha Ghana update
American see yenua baby yes sister bi wa manani anda ho na yenua ba na sem nyina ne sɛ na nikunu na sabi awo ma ti nikunu no ote se nikunu no akofo ba e wo Ghana ti enua ba nse na she's going through a lot of depression because ono na ekofa ba man free Ghana e de ne ba abrochire obeye nkrata e de ma ba ma no ne ade na ba ma no sabi otimi yesa no na ono oba ne fie obi kakra nti no na ne maame di no bakro ti yenua ba na ipa kyerɛ sɛ ohyia bɛrima na bɛrima ne yɛfitani enso anha no na wawie ono oba na wie university bɛrima na anko school ɔware bɛrima no kama de bɛrima no ba abrokyire ɔde ne ba America kroma sei yes I am ɔde bɛrima no ba abrokyire ɔse Auntie Frida na baabi a bɛrima no maame da na enye timi ko see nice 2 bedroom e de ma bɛrima no maame e je store de ma bɛrima no maame na omo ware 3-4 years na awo ne mma ene nyankopon ye na dom onyem eseye onyem 3 times ni nyina seye nti na she's still waiting and hoping say nyame be na dom ema na san afa yefunu ti yenua ba ne se awo no amba na wone sister ba ko edi agro ni kunu no na damfo yere ena ni kunu damfo yere ne ka chense mami ke matise wo husband akwa Ghana akwa wari secretly okọ Ghana last year no mi kunu se wakwa wari secretly ema oba no kra awo no so it can never be true. The amaya mami kuni maka chense o me adopt akwala ni bi ana say IVF yenye bi ni nyina wadi nan say yentwe nyame ti dia wo kan de menye sure say mi kunu betimi agya me ho akwa wari mame ubi ba wa bra boma wa ho de bia me ka chose wi ase no ubi ane na agenda a wode nam ti se woni ni pe di agru ni pe nante ma wadwene mu nda ho uni obi get closer na obi ba won chain for Adam for whatever it is no. Don't just be quick to open your mouth to tell them things. Nye bibia na say obi nte. There's a certain things you have to keep it to yourself. Even there's a certain things you have to keep it to your grave. Enti yenua ba ne se eja ebeye ne ya ma obisa ne kunu. Ni kunu ka kire ne say I wanted to tell you so obi aka kire wo dia na ne this what it is no makọ Ghana makọ akwale na me mpese me ka kire say makọ Ghana makọ ware bet makọ Ghana makọ akwale so oba ne so oni be ma no kontokwa ena otu be ma ne fie say onko because we see awo na wo pe yenkwa ya IVF ibi we see yentwe nyame mre yankwa adopt obi usi yentwe nyame mre me a me recommend ma se wo pa wo betimi afa oba ne na wo ni nyina wo deny na se wakọ Ghana kwa akwọwale e de oba atena Ghana oba na wo tie nua ba ne se Auntie Frida na I was going through depression na me wu me dwen niema amaya ma me kun baby a me piki me kunu baby a me koye me ka na me hwe me kunu hu fia na wode wo ho fitani young guy na baba wa mesi so na me maame ne me papa de me aba brochi ma be ko school ma wie university wo Ghana ma be to aso eye madwuma ye nurse ni na be man sebi obe fili application kura me na me fili ma no enye Auntie Frida me tie me kunu da bi me fili proud auntie ma po me kunu no se me kunu gina wa mitimi koye adwuma ba na me de me kunu betra na me kire me kunu ade me wo board wo me fie kire me kunu ade te say ma me kunu no ati me fili application ye bibia na me nji ndi say eye me husband obetimi afa machi kura koye sa ti e ba sa no ozi Auntie Frida I was going through na me maame enemy papa nya accident ewo me cousin big graduation no mu ko state foforo ko nya accident mo mu mienu nyina wuye sa time ni mu anso ena na me kunu eye me saade no ti ebeye me ya pa ti ode ne ho koi se asebi ne nurse no the offer no is depression intino omo de neto anti-depression medication so omo man therapist ni ade o say Auntie Frida na fi wo hwe young lady me age na fi me ade kutam kra na me referee me drive a mitimi twom wo adwumam etimi drive a be 2-3 hours and sebu a water gas no hu say na hina me we o say Auntie Frida emre bi me drive o ya me kakakra nka me du Canada o say Auntie me dia ne se me ko say ya me namusa Auntie Frida oso ni me se mitimi tuka se me ko adwuma na makọ Worcester ma drive 4.5 hour na me ko Massachusetts ono so wo ni mo bia wo okoduwa na adwene ne ho aba na ho so acha mama mi mfi awie ne mo kakra okoduwa na afi ne ho aba na ho so se baabia okono owo no enye baabia onimo anase onimo bia wo na wasanya drive wasan san na chi na wasan aba New Jersey. Osi Auntie Frida nti madam fu bi guy bi ana mene ni di agro. Na yiri nana no ne guy ni di agro na guy ne ko ware ye. Ti na afi oni omu nyina di agro Osi Auntie. Omo wo a mitimi ya shopping. Mitimi ya shopping be $2,000-3,000 na me di ama omo. Me pe bra ne yira asem Osi Auntie. Abra mi go depression no. Bra ne ba mi fie ono aba Osi mami wafa wadro. Me se mafa o. Mame bibia be ye okay wate. Kodware kodidi mame koyese hohoro wonsa. Oni obia ne kunu waka na si abonten se be ma ne nkoi. Oni obia abusia. Osi Auntie Frida mehu ne ye na afi mene abrantie no da. Munti o osi bo ehu de bae. Through the medication na wo fefa ni mu ni ade na guy ni show odo bi ni ade de ma Osi Auntie Frida. Me hu yan say one day me abrantie ni she dwaye dwale. Osi na it didn't even bother me. Just say I don't even care. Say na guy no, he came for a mission. Ono de na dwene say one na danfo kuna da. But na guy no so adwene nyina ne say media me buy for mission. O property bi na me page me buy say me be blackmail you. Enu ti na mo ha. Hey, mame ni panye. Start with it as a sign. Nipa nye. Ono sister ni nim say ni kunu a wone na bobra wa bre be man ho de be man free Ghana ba aburu chire. So mama I say now what to say? Ni kuna ko Ghana akọ afa ni tirim ne mama ne papa bomu awu that time na mu enya accident atete. Yedi ne bakro na dia wo fam. Osi Auntie Frida. Mitimi no aduane. Na aduane ni si me nchen ho mpaso. Me dan mani so ti ane mati biase manu. Anaju tu na mjina kitchen ye aduane. Osi Auntie Frida. Se me say nyame ye madoma madwene mu da ho no. Na me hwe video mu wo fie ho a. Osi Auntie Frida me hwe video mu na mitimi so te sa aboa. Me hu se sa ne ma we na 2 AM na wasole no wo ye aduane. Osi Auntie mitimi set table. E ma me I set table ama me mba. Me so am nipa. She was going through depression. And a guy no ba na nchen no. Ofi say na down for guy a waware. Obi ani ne nchen. Ono nko a. Ti guy ne drive be 20 minutes no aba no ho. Bu a guy ne say na me off. Me pese me fa umpie no makọ park, no makọ restaurant bi. Guy na yire no nso ni me say oh, yes sister. Penina I say she's going through something to me kunu koboa no. Na sister na dwen no. We nso na dwen no say ni kunu adamfo na o madamfo na obeboa. Say na guy na nkasa awo ba no. Okuta na agenda na ode na agenda nyina ne say oba be di sister no. Na odia blackmail sister no odia gu sister na ni mase. That is the main motive. Abusia say na guy no de na dwen nyina ne say sister me menene kwa akoda na menene da wia ma blackmail no ti o take advantage on her vulnerability and I say na kan some men na o depression mu o da anti depression e duro so no. That is the time abra ni ko she wodo nkwase ado de kire sister ne die. Sister Auntie Frida bibia koso ade meni so tete me ase na fi me hwe se do the therapist no na fi nyame adom fa na duro o exercise o pie ase ene me get better ne ade. Osi Auntie Frida one day mo wa na guy ne buy na guy ne so hu se isi a ne ho to no enti guy ne bisa ne se o sisi a wo ye me den osi one day o wa na guy ne friend se o ba ho no ka chen so no kra no okọ evening services. No, see, that ben I'll start here. No, so must start about a month in here, and it's very good for you to get closer to God because what I've been through, no, I thank God say I'm still alive. Now, guy, say what you've been through, or you are still in the same condition. I say no, I am not in the same condition again. By the grace of God, I am better than before. Or say one again, so what are you going to do with me? Now that you are getting better, are you trying to dump me? And I'll say, what? Or say, guy, and say, are you home? No, say, I said I'm going to evening service. Or say, then I'll come there tomorrow morning. Or say, no problem. It was a weekend, Saturday. Sister, say, Auntie Frida, me ye aduane bibia. Abrantie ba ye set table ye didi ye. Come on. Owie ya na abrantie na sem nyina ne say, sisi ya no me wo ye me den. No say wo me ye wo den say. Abrantie say, na obi a wo wetimi woni mi say me ne wada na. No say so fucking them what? Woni mi ada. So what? You took advantage of me. I wasn't in my right senses, my right mind. I was taking medication. I take 2 medication every day for antidepressant. Do you think if I was in my right mind, I will have sex with you? God forbid. Or see one brand catcher and say, so are you trying to dump me? Or see you are married and I am married. I haven't signed divorce. You are married and I am married. Move on with your life. I went to the hospital. I checked myself. I am not pregnant. I don't have no diseases. I don't have nothing. So move on with your life. Guy, and say me move on my life. Nke she. Hey sister, who should be move on? Me? I don't go feel move on. She. Who do so bad? Who ma danger ma be catch and say wa wale me so ma wale me move on. What's say? What do you say? Into patches, I mean, why don't come in? I say no, but you can't just have fun with me and just dump me. I say, brother, oh, patches, say, me no have fun, and I made dump. Hello, we a married man. What's your wedding ring? I am a married woman. I'm wearing a wedding ring. My husband is your friend, and you are my friend. I called you a brother. What the hell are you trying to do? Or say, what the hell am I trying to do? What I'm trying to do is, the ame person menyane say, yewie, minu mie no, yewie, minu mie no, we are not done. Or say, minu mie no, we are not done. Or so we are not done for what? At the end, we are not done. You chop me, I chop you. I was taking medication. And then many about me also. I won't do this filthy thing. I have to find a way and tell my husband what I did. And you are here asking me, say we are not done yet. At the end, you ain't done it yet. At the end, or say, come on, let's go to the room. Now, sister, I say first, you know, or share a camera anymore. Guy need to make a chance and say, come on, let's go. No dinner cheat, no dinner question them. But share now if guy no sign guy make a chance say, I think you have to continue taking your medication. No, say, what the hell do you think you are? Trying to telling me to take my medication so that you can take advantage of me, right? And what person guy say, Master, if you don't want me to disgrace you, you better do what I say. Mr. Sister, me say, obi beba wabra bom, you may think say, oba wabra bom for bibi. And not be that. Or take advantage on somebody who is under antidepressant medication. And yene 3 lawyers na akasa. As someone who can answer, so be taking anti-depression medication, only in the right mind. Adebia only the is abuse. You are taking advantage. That moment, you know, the person is taking advantage on that person vulnerability. On dinner, Obia show or doka krebi chile nipan because the person lack those kind of things, you know. she or he is full of solo. Dia wo hia ni so obi beka do no, obi beka sa akere no, obeso ni mu, it shall be well with you. Sister, don't worry. So once you ni papa, that person can take advantage of you. So when she ni papa, obi da medication so na wone ne da. In someone ni pan beka bi anya na adwene no wo kasa. Wo kasa bese mi nkodi wura odrese. Dia beka bi a obeje so. Me no da na wo ho bon, na bibi wo ho. Obeka so sa because that time no ni pan nkasa adwene ekita ne nya, adwene ni ho. So who the man make catch me see na me ne 3 lawyers. Ena akasa. Me ne me brother baako, ena me sister baako. Ena ye ne lawyers 3. Weka. Ye wi sansem na obi eka. E wo 212 Washington Street. One lawyer, David. Mr. Lawyer, so do you think say obi was obi fa anti-depression e dro no obi ne da o say it's a rape? Nipa no ni na adwene so. Mo adwuma mo ye adwuma ye kura no. Yetimi ka kira wo say nipa no o che wade a menje adenti oni ne right mind o che wade a obeje. Ti obi a woda anti-medication so anti-depression medication so a wo your ba o wo ye bema o woni ne beda. Ensem bia ne beka bia that person will accept it. Da obeda can say wo beka. Ko record we ma me obeye. Because that moment, you know, she is vulnerable. She is going to obey you. Because that time, no, nobody is there. Who who say we any yankopon. Or who will be apart from who now be show or do Eddie Achren. Okay, said that one mindi wo better ho. I love you too. Because that moment, you know, the obey man kitu ebiano, ebeye very great. Sanity. Sa pepe penety. Unless we share will be or you're very good, a good person, and I won't take advantage of you. I just say we share or be or you're very good person, or good human mind, and I won't take advantage on someone who is under medication, under antidepressant medication. Yes. Ye baby wa Canada. Na or depression. Can you imagine say okofa bem omunim sofo ni nim say or that depression e brosen well. Sofo ni introduce bem afoforo de ne ma no. E mo ni bem man kasa o phone so fall de ma bem no. Bem man ka chan sem pesa wonya nkrata ama me yira wu me maye 5 koye maye. Bra na ni sister na ni tie no. No the bem man ne ma. Enkola nine odi o ma ba bedu abonte Canada abonte. Before send anything, na bra na adwane agya no. Ka sister na e bodam bio. Ka wo bodam oda abonte obey homeless. Me ne bra na kasa ka chense e ka sister no boy tuya ma no. Oso wan kase wo de me ba aburo kira me metua na kantimi ntua. Me say. Ben me bia woni wo ba oda anti medication so anti depression medication so bede bia no. It's a crime. In America here it's a crime. Whatever you are, it's a crime. It's a crime. But with him. Inti yenu ya ba say, gani ka chance say, you have to do something. Oh. No, see, do something for what? I was taking medication. I was going through something. Depression. Taking medication before I can sleep. Taking medication. If I don't take that medication, I am a different person. When I take it, I am also a different person. And you took advantage of me. And you are here telling me, say, we are not done. So we should continue having sex. Isn't it? Or say yes. But when I do hoshisheme, when I do hoshisheme, when I catch him so affirme, when I catch him so be waleme, ube Jimmy free me, you listen, who disikabe Jimmy free me, you listen. I say, fucking them what? All those kind of things that I was saying, or you claim that I was saying, I wasn't in my right senses. I quite remember, I gave you a check. I gave you $3,000 check. I gave you $4,500 check. I gave you $1,800 check. For what? Do you think I was in my right mind, I will give you those kind of money? Do you think I will do it? Abusia, say brand buy for something. To cut everything short, no, or catch it and say, so why am I $50,000, sir? Me take you videos, no pictures, in Baba Bonting. Guy me ye boldly, and will catch her sister. Say why am I $50,000, sir? I am going to bring all this video out there. Uni bibi, say na brand and sister ni kunu na kon. 8 years ago, na brand and sister ni kunu akon tokwa. 8 years ago. Ema oma solve asem no mema mi no oma solve kura dada. Ewa adwuma ho. Oma solve awie. Till the guy want to take a revenge. So he was playing for something to happen. And unfortunately something happened. So he have to take advantage on the wife. Onim say be man no ne yere be man akofa ne yere chi ti wo sheda ka kire ne yere say kona ko ka kire wadanfo ne say ni kuna ko Ghana akowale ene wo ba wo. Be careful. They are setting a lot of trap. Bible see the book of Jeremiah, or say among my people I have seen wicked men who set a trap to catch men. Or say they lay in wait and they set a trap to catch men. Or say among my people I have seen wicked men. It's the modern for omoda was say din no ma set a trap no ma chinipa. Somebody can set a trap for you for 10 years. Somebody can set a trap for you for 20 years. Somebody can set a trap. It is called trap. And they are going to sit patiently. They can be with you. They can talk to you. They can smile with you. They can share food with you. They can share even omukote. They will share with you. Thinking. But it's way different. What they say is different. To can Jeremiah and the Bible say the heart is deceitful above all things and desperately wicked. So you have to be very careful. Only the sister ni kunako enya kasa 8 years ago. Omo chaso o we ba we fi ombe didi ombo nkomom tu car pie ko vacation. Osianti Frida yetimi ko Holland yakọ gye ni Europe ye be chi sa me kunu ene ni kunu ene madam fo no bra no ne yere yan fo no ye be chi sa say no mo ko be nyina no. The guy was thinking evil but the lady didn't know nothing because no was set a trap on to take advantage. Who sa sister need that medication so no or say we e be ye adwuma say we menene be that ma blackmailing or say give me $50,000. Sister ne say bra move on with your life. I was going through something. I was taking medication and you took advantage on me. And you was here telling me to give you $50,000 if you know that you have my pictures. You going to do the same thing to me? You going to blackmailing me? I am fucking them a blackmailer. I am fucking and sister nankasa na catch them Auntie Frida. Me say me kuna dam for taking advantage on me. When taking advantage on her, ta mana na adwene mu da ho no o take advantage. Ta ma sister ni kuna konto kwa asema ba ma be ma wapam be ma na si abonten. Ma oba na ye lowly. Otimi drive wa ko Worcester or drive free New Jersey. Bloomfield, New Jersey, etimi drive 4 hours, 30 minutes go Worcester. Wabra woni mo bia ho. Na na dwena ba no so. No wasanya to car na free Worcester. No wasanya drive sa na dwo se Auntie Frida me ba bedu na mabre. Me ba bedu na mabre. Me no aduane a edem na aduane ni si ho. Madwene ni me ho so. Me nim dia me ye. Mitimi sha atade ba ko na me amake sa. Me share video e ma se me sha atade we she we na wa change. That is the time. When some people are going on with something, having problems, anybody that will show love and care to them, you become their God. Unless they won't go through something. Yes, let me tell you something about Mimikunu, Mr. Erica Soa. The same thing happened when I met my husband. I was in a relationship with a guy. Someone introduced him to me. Now, me share guy ne kasa. Me, I'm a person, Mr. Dinipa. Me share ne kasa. Me need date 1 month kura ndu. Yanda be 3, 4, 5 times in po. Now me say no. Me catch assistance a guy way. Onye the type of bear me pe. No. I'm done. Me jano hoko share jumum. Month na mu na me hu say ma fire fru. Na me kunu. He was a company and the second job he was the company driver or transport to aid the fuel driver no. Ekwa adwuma so anapa na adwuma awoye no na awiam so akwa adwuma foforo oye adwuma ma post office. Mama esan se nyame boa me mami nya be ma owatenka obu oba respect oba. He didn't take advantage of me. He didn't. At that moment, he didn't. My husband, Eric, didn't do it. I was pregnant with Isaac. Me catch me ban papa say I'm pregnant. I say, "Mama, the ama you be a trust." Me say, "No, it can never be possible." Omo kasa ya na me say me dey achen. Na me fee adwuma mu ba fie say me call doctor's appointment. Many ono ne madam fo Abigail ne betena fie baako, edan baako. Who said no, there's no change. So I told myself that I am done. Tina Eric, company nisi on me fame, on faming kwa so back. Cause driver been a demi fear juma mba fie. Tisa me bedi 2 weeks na me kwa juma back there. And the driver for floor sambe fame. Na ye mi kura Eric. Oba e na me de niema e kogu ka ni na me isu. Na brantie no so kan. Miss Abigail Gabra o wa happen so she's my witness. Timetra came no sister. Aden na wusu. Na me say bra. Me ba American chair bet ma befa ye funu. Na dia bra na ye ede ye no so oh. Bra kokko kama na me say o se enya hwe abroche de sa. Me show condition na say wonyem. Na me say ya menyem. O se o nya abotre wate na me say mate. Na me ni nkrata that was 2013. And ye di be wura 2014. I was 2 months pregnant with Isaac. Eric is the one who took care of me. Na me ninkrata, or no, then ninkrata, akwaje dai mame. Eric na na eto aduane mame we adwuma mu. Ono na na obefa me come doctor's appointment. Ono na na oye me bia mame. Wanje me $1. One me andada. Osoro ni asase ye me dance ni. Wanfa na no anka ma no da. Wankese wo pe me da. Okachem se me fa wo se me nua ba. Me fa wo se Adamfo, me foul say me yere. I am taking you as my everything. Anything that you need, do not hide it. Just let me know. I'll provide it. Ti be mami be nyan hoto so bi say, ah bra. Yankopo nshira opa.